Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the panel by prying it off.
You may need to use a panel tool to help remove the panel.
Remove the wing nut.
And the easiest way, if it's tight, is to get a Phillips head screwdriver, and they got these holes in it. And you can kind of just turn it like that and get it started. And then you can take it the rest of the way off here by hand.
Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Push this little red tab over, and then push the black tab here down.
Reconnect the bulb housing. Push the connector straight in to connect the bulb housing.
And just push that red tab back in.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. You may need to use some force to get the bulb housing back in place. You should hear it connect to the vehicle.
Replace the wing nut.
We recommend changing your bulbs in pairs. If one bulb is burnt out, its counterpart bulb is likely near the end of its life as well.
And then just get your screwdriver kind of in there again and just give it a little bit extra turn to make it a little tighter.
Position the panel so that the tabs line up with their respective slots and press in.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.